yeah.
Okay, so this is our Vanguard LR-1 for the second part of our review of the Alpha Strike Infantry pack.
Perfect.
So we have our Nerf gun right here, and as well as our 20X Elite Nerf darts right here. Right here, guys. So on to our Nerf gun right here. So this is again the Vanguard LR-1. So this is a pretty looking Nerf gun right here. And as you might have already seen, we have two grips right here. One black and one yellow. And the gun has a black stock right here that is not detachable, and there are some holes here which I think can hold Nerf darts right there.
Perfect.
And I think your hand goes in here. Good looking stock there. I believe this is the loading mechanism for our Nerf gun right here. We have seen this from the other Nerf gun as well, the Optic QS-4, as we have reviewed on the first part of our Alpha Strike Infantry pack review. If you want to check that out, click the link right here and on our video description. So that is our loading mechanism. That's how we arm the gun right here. And that is our gray trigger right there. And it's designed well right here, as you can see. Of course, the Nerf logo right there. That's the branding. And that's the name of our Nerf gun, Vanguard LR-1. And on top right here, this should be our scope. But as you can see here, there are slots for our Elite Nerf darts. You can put 10 right here on top. And maybe some on this butt stock right here.
Perfect.
Of the gun. And I believe what you can see here, wow, that is a long vacuum tube right there. That is a big one, because that is where we should be loading the Nerf darts right there.
Wow!
So we load this gun one at a time. That's why there are slots here to put in reserve darts for easier loading. And of course, Alpha Strike branding right here. And this is our barrel right here. So that's where we load the Nerf gun right there at the bottom of the barrel. This is part of our scope right here. And that is the gun barrel right there. On the other side of the gun, it's much of the same right there. And as I have mentioned earlier, this is a really long vacuum tube right here. This is the mechanism that Nerf guns use to fire the darts. Where, you know, if you load the gun, this is what pushes our Nerf darts really fast. So that one we have to see. Wow, that is a really nice looking gun right there. Well, for measurements, this is a long gun right here. So from the buttstock of the gun right here to the barrel, that is about 40 cm right there. And as for the height, that's 19 cm right there. So 40 by 19. To load our Nerf gun, we put it right here directly on the loading section right here. So we just have this Nerf dart right here and we insert it right on the barrel right there. So now to arm the gun, this loading mechanism, as I have shown you earlier. So you just have to pull this back this way. like so. There. So our Nerf gun is now armed right here. Now all we need to do is push that trigger right there. So I'll pull this trigger right here so you can see our projectile leaving the barrel right here. Ready? Wow. I was right, guys. These are really powerful Nerf gun right here. Although it's just a one shot, technically, you have to load it one at a time in terms of the darts. As I've mentioned, it has a long vacuum barrel right there. It was really a powerful shot right there. So let's launch another one. Ready? Wow. That was a really powerful shot right there. Perfect. From our Vanguard LR-1. So now it's time for our power test. Okay, here we go with our power test. But before we do that, just admire this one. I have just compiled my Nerf darts right there at the top on the scope, on the slots for the reserve darts. So that looks good, right?
Perfect.
So now you just get one here and then you load a gun right here. And just a note of what I mentioned earlier on the buttstock right here. See, I have also put some darts in there, but it really isn't recommended because it blocks your hand right there. So it's really uncomfortable to use. That's why I'm not recommending to put any Nerf darts right here. So for our power test, we have our usual target right here, our shoebox with an A4 paper. So we will try to put a dent right here on our target using our Vanguard LR-1.
Perfect.
So it was a powerful shot as demonstrated earlier. So I hope we can do something about our target today. So I'm going to fire from 6 feet back and we will fire 6 darts. Ready? Okay, again, unfortunately, we didn't put a dent or any holes on our target, despite of the Vanguard LR-1 being a real powerful shot right here. Wow, that is a tough target right there. But I like the action from the Vanguard LR-1. This really is a great looking gun and it's really a powerful shot. So there you go, guys, with our Vanguard LR-1. This was really a fun gun to play with, and it was really a powerful shot as we have witnessed right there. Unfortunately, it didn't put a dent or hole on our target yet, but this one, like I said, with the long vacuum tube right there, is really a powerful shot in terms of the Nerf guns we have reviewed.
Perfect.
And this one is cool right there. Nerf dart reserves on top. And I also like this buttstock right here. The black color, the matte color right there. And of course we have an extra grip in front of the gun. And that one really is a good looking barrel right there. So overall, this is a, I was expecting it to be, difficult to load and fire a bunch of darts because I have to load every time. But surprisingly, it really didn't matter. It was like a muscle memory when you get used to it on how to put in darts right here. And plus, the motivation here is the powerful shot that this Nerf gun puts out. So you wouldn't really be complaining about loading it one dart at a time. It's like being a sniper rifle right here. It's really a powerful shot. And I like this Nerf gun right here. Which Nerf guns do you have on your collection? Please share with us, okay? Comment it down below. So please don't forget, guys, that we are still on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. For more info on that, click the link right here and on our video description. So there you go, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our Nerf gun reviews, as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. Now I'll catch you guys on the next one.